Okay, just a quick review of this insert I've made for my Contigo travel mug. This is an insulated 20-ounce travel mug that I got from Amazon.com. And what I've done is I've created an insert, I'll show you in a moment, that will hold the coffee items like when I go camping. I want to be able to have coffee pods, basically like tea bags of coffee and creamer and sugar, and be able to take them camping. But I don't want those to be scattered all over the place if I just dump them inside of here. And I may have days worth of coffee in here. So what I did is I designed and 3D printed this little insert to go inside of there. And so that's the insert, and if you look at it, it's actually made on the bottom here. It's got the indentation that aligns. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but there's an indentation back in the Contigo coffee mug. But anyway, this fits in there very nice. It's got a lid. Virtually, you can't hardly even see the seams up here for the lid, but it's got a real nice lid. It just pops off of it. Good fitting lid. And fits on there very well, goes back in there very easy. But it's firm enough that you can actually lift the insert out of the Contigo travel mug by just the handle. The tolerances are very close, so if I slide this in here, you'll watch it. I'm just going to let go of it and you'll see it quickly slide down into the cup, cushioned by the air though. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. It's got that tight a fit. 3, 2, 1. And it fits in there very well, and this is how far down in there it actually fits. Now it had to fit down a little bit down in there because the mouth of the Contigo lid has got this big piece that fits up here. And then of course all of this area from this gray area down has to fit inside of here. So this knob actually comes up into this area here, but you had to make it go down in there a little bit. So that will allow you, when you get to your camp and you start to make coffee, you can pull out the insert, basically get your coffee, creamer, sugar, etc. out of there, enough for one batch. Close this back, and if it starts raining, it's staying good and dry, and it'll also keep it from being scattered while you're actually brewing and sipping your coffee out of the mug. But anyway, I thought you might enjoy seeing that little design there. And as always, thanks for watching.